Hello friends, welcome to our channel, welcome to another new video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about government college cutoff. It's been a long time Wbjee results are out and all of you have got your rank. So in this video, you will get to know whether you are eligible for government college or not. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, I would like to say one thing, that this video is based upon previous year cutoff. Okay, so it's based on previous year trend. So if you want to apply for Jadavpur University and your category is general, then you can see for chemical engineering starting is 150 and closing is 953. For civil engineering it's 437 up to 913, and it goes on like CSE, electrical, information mechanical. So if your rank is within this range, then you can apply for Jadavpur University. Next, if you are SC, then for chemical engineering your opening rank is 1786 up to 8677, and it goes on for civil, CSE, electrical, ECE, information and mechanical. So if your rank is within this range, you can apply for Jadavpur, and it's same for ST, OBC A and OBC B. So I am moving on to next college. Our next college is University of Calcutta. So you can see for general in chemical engineering it's 2430, it's closing rank. For chemical technology it's 4506, and it goes on up to polymer science and technology. Same for OBC A, OBC B, SC, ST, and in bracket is written CR, it means closing rank. Okay, so here it's entirely is given closing rank. For chemical technology in ST, leave that. Electrical engineering for ST closing rank is 18466. For SC it's 10285. For general it's 1833. So if your rank is within this range, you can apply for University of Calcutta. I'm moving to next college. Our next college is Wbjee Government Engineering College. So if you want to study civil engineering and your rank is within this range 6017 and 15087, then you can apply in Wbjee Government College. If you want to study CSE and your rank is within 4491 and 9657, then you can apply. Same for electrical, electronics and communication and mechanical engineering. So if you are eligible, then you can apply in Wbjee Government Engineering College. I am moving on to next college. Our next college is Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. It's a popular and well-known college in Jalpaiguri. So if you want to study civil and you are general, then you should rank between 2740 to 5756. CSE or CST, that is computer science and engineering or computer science and technology, you should rank between 753 to 3629. And for same for electrical, ECE, mechanical and IT, and same for SC, ST. So if your rank is within this range, then you can apply for Jalpaiguri Government Engineering College. I am moving to next college. Our next college is Kalyani Government Engineering College. So if you want to study CSE and you are general, then you have to rank between 370 to 1561, and for SC it's 4292 and 9412, and for ST it's 10858 to 31722. Same for electrical, ECE, IT and mechanical engineering. So if your rank is within this range, then you can apply for Kalyani Government Engineering College. I am moving to next college. Our next college is 𝑘𝑢𝑡. We all have heard of 𝑘𝑢𝑡. There are numerous colleges under this university. So if you want to study in 𝑘𝑢𝑡, actually it provides only two programs, that is CSE and IT. So 𝑘𝑢𝑡 is 𝑚𝑎𝑢𝑙𝑎𝑛𝑎 University of Technology, and if you want to study CSE and you are general, then you have to rank between 522 to 2048. For SC it's 5330 to 14110, and for ST it's 15003 to 22990, and for IT it's 1202 to 3636 for general, and for SC it's 13037 to 19811, and for ST is 3769 to 55749. So if your rank is within this range, then you can apply for 𝑘𝑢𝑡 if you want to study in this university. So I am moving on. Our next college is Purulia Government Engineering College. So if you want to study civil engineering, then you have to rank between 6064 to 16894. For CSE it's 3271 to 10018. For electrical engineering it's 4141 to 15221. For electronic and communication it's 5892 to 14164, and for mechanical it's 6625 to 16813. So if your rank is within this, then you can apply for Purulia Government. So here it ends. I have listed you the best government engineering college in West Bengal. So in next video I am going to tell you about private colleges, rather best private colleges in West Bengal, like IEM, Heritage, Ҳলদিয়া, Techno. Okay, so if you like the video, then do comment and subscribe to our channel and share it among your friends. Thank you.